Hello dear fans. How to start learning makeup. Makeup is somewhat different from makeup, as it involves a longer and more painstaking work with the client's face. The makeup artist is looking for the most suitable image for this type of face, selects harmonious colors and shades, removes visible skin imperfections. Who is easier to become a makeup artist? There is a widespread stereotype that it is easier for people with art education to make a career as a makeup artist. This is partly true. Drawing skills and having a rich artistic imagination can go a long way towards creating unusual stage makeup that requires creativity. In this case, it is not so much the art education itself that is important, but the skill of drawing and the ability to adapt to each client. Therefore, you can start preparing for teaching visage precisely with filling your hands and studying other people's work. Vivid images can be seen in theatrical makeup. When working with ordinary orders, too rich imagination can, on the contrary, interfere. It can be difficult for a creative person to contain themselves and not do unusual artistic makeup. In this work, the main thing is to be able to determine the character and personality of a stranger, find an approach to each client and have a sense of taste. The ability to draw in this case will help, but it is worth remembering that the living canvas is strikingly different from a sheet of paper or canvas. Where to go to study? When a sufficient number of works by other makeup artists have been studied and you have an idea in which direction you would like to work, proceed with the choice of an educational institution. Find the school that has the appropriate department that interests you. It can be like working in a salon with ordinary people, creating creative makeup, or working on television, where not only the role and features of the face are important, but also lighting. Make a list of all the educational institutions and makeup courses available in the city. Take a close look at each teacher's portfolio and consider if this is really the style that interests you. If the list is too long to shorten it quickly, immediately dismiss the work you don't like. But study the portfolios of students and teachers more closely to see the growth of the master. Do not be afraid to choose the wrong institution. In any case, you will receive the necessary experience and the necessary training. You can always continue your studies on other courses. Moreover, the more makeup teachers you visit, the better and more versatile your skills will be. Do not rush, because you can improve the classification already directly in the process of work, combining it with courses. Don't think that the profession of a makeup artist is only suitable for young people. Adults, perhaps, learn the material a little more slowly, but they show more diligence and patience. Thanks for watching.